So Luxembourg chose Ave Maria as Eva Maria. What am I saying? Eva Maria. The name of the song is Mother Nature. So yeah, I asked what language was this, and then they told me that it's in Bulgarian. I'm not sure if that's accurate. Please confirm with me that part of the song. But yeah, let's get to the net stuff and then we're gonna listen to the song. So yeah, this is the net stuff. It qualified first round. It qualified for the super final. It got 222 total points, the public with 128 and the jury with 94. Yeah, let's see. They have 2 out of 2 finals since 2004. So yeah, and then their performance doesn't really look I don't know what to say about the performance. Anyway, enough with the net stuff. We are done with the net stuff. We are done. But yeah, let's listen to the song Mother Nature. The title I wonder what is she saying about Mother Nature. From the start. Hey, I think the volume is a bit low. Oh, it's enough. Wait, so it's in English. So what are these? What are these translations? Oh, therefore, okay. I thought it was okay. It's fine. Ooh. Hey. You should know me. You know, I like the lyrics. I like something that sounds a bit poetical, and they played with the language. From the start, when all was fun and games, wasn't hard, but all good things can end. Back when I was young, I planted a seed under the moonlight, and even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? Mm. This is how you connect with nature. Okay, I get you, Eva Maria. I get you. Don't tell us to meditate though. I'm kidding. You can tell us. We'll do whatever you say because you are the winner. That layering voice, it has like a reverb effect, right? So it attacked faster than the main vocal, but it wasn't disturbing. But then it's something that you hear and you cannot ignore. Wait. Oh, it attacked after the main vocal. I can't ignore it. I don't know why. Nature, she knows. Nature, she knows. Okay. I'm in for the hook. Mother Nature, she knows. And when I sing along, I feel like I can sing. But then when I pause the song and just sing alone without the music on my earphones, I just remember how terrible of a singer I am. Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. She knows. Hey, at this point, I don't even need to know who she was paired up and then who was competing alongside her. I'm sold. I like the song. I like the song. I don't even know where to classify this as far as the genres go, but yeah, I like what I hear. Now let's. Where do we put this? Where do you think it should be? Do you see it making it to the finals? I'll give you my opinion once I'm done listening to this. Am I? Whoa. Hey, I need to know this part by heart. From the crown to what? From the crown to my skin as I'm howling at the, okay, now I forgot the rhythm. From the ground to my skin as I'm howling at the wind, dig my roots in the mud. Okay, yeah, I'm talking the song and she's singing the song, so I'm ruining it. Ground to my skin. Hold up. I need to check the lyrics on the side so that I can try to sing. Eva Marija, Mother Nature. Yeah, we'll end this video knowing this song. There's no way. Damn, there are no lyrics. This is crazy. Look at this. It doesn't focus yet. It's on focus now. Look at this. Lyrics unavailable. What the hell? Yeah, they don't want me knowing this song by heart. But here they are provided, so why doesn't YouTube provide them for us? YouTube Music, fix your issues. Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. Nature, she knows. Nature, she knows. Use that thing. What is it called? Violin. Use it. Talak. Cook. Also, when that thing goes crazy, ting, I feel like that I heard some voices. Were they humming or doing what? I don't know. Hold on. Is it an instrument or the voice? Something goes like Ooh. Nature, she knows. Yeah, she definitely knows.
Thank you so much, Luxembourg.
Yo, thank you and the writers. Who are the writers? I saw 2 names. Was it 3 names? Who wrote this? What is this? So it's the real artist and Julie Agard. Yeah. I forgot to mention the stage design looks crazy. Those roots start off as some secular fire, like what you would do when you summon a demon. Yeah, but then it grows into a beautiful tree that goes red and blue. It's a cool backdrop for the performance, and she has the stage presence. I like the movements that she does. Cool stuff. Now, yeah, may this be on the top 10, please. Okay, this, the more you hear the winners, the harder it gets. But yeah, may it please be on the top 10. At least. It really must perform better than the other entries. But yeah, let me know what you think about the song. Does it deserve the hype that I'm giving it, or am just overreacting? I don't know. But yeah, feel free to recommend me stuff to check and songs to check. There's a lot of songs here. There's a lot of songs. So yeah, what we doing next? Mother Nature, she knows.